glad you dropped in, Woody. Hiya, folks. I'm happy you could join us. Woody and his gang have a real fun show lined up for you. You'll see many cartoons. But that's not all. Woody promises a special feature. There'll be lots of laughs and excitement.
Okay, gang. We're ready for the next cartoon. Let her roll.
Buster.
Hey, watch it.
Well, what do you want?
A T-bone steak.
We ain't got any.
Well, how about pork chops?
We're out of those.
Fried shrimp?
No.
Fried eggs?
No.
Well, let me see a menu. I'll try the chili and beans. But I didn't eat anything.
Well, you ordered it. A skate key, 3 bottle caps, a fish hook, and 2 buttons. Well, you're gonna wash dishes, Buster. Now get to work. And if you break one dish, I'll break your neck.
Boy, that was close. I better put him away.
I'll kill him. Come out, Woodpecker, wherever you are. He's not in there.
No.
He's not in there.
No.
Now, where's he hiding? Gonna start serving Woodpecker stew.
Now, take it easy, Mrs. Meanie.
All right, you little fink. Say your prayers.
Now I lay me down to to sleep. What happened?
Oh, rats, I'm out of bullets. I'll go get some more.
You might as well go get some popcorn, folks, while Mrs. Dummy here gets some more bullets. Oh, there you are.
Yeah, and I'm loaded for bear. Now you go stand over there so I can shoot you.
Pardon me, Mrs. Beanie, but how many bullets do you have in that gun?
Well, if you want to know, Mr. Smarty Pants, I got 4.
That's all I wanted to know.
Uh-huh.
That's 1. That's 2. That's 3.
And this is 5.
No use me hanging around. I'll be seeing you.
Hold it right there.
I thought you said you only had 4 shots.
So I lied a little bit. Now get back to those dishes.